Netherlands, a country of timeless beauty and boundless charm, and here are must-visit places that showcase the rich tapestry of Dutch culture, history, and natural wonders. Amsterdam, from the historic canals of the UNESCO-listed Canal Ring to world-class museums like the Rijksmuseum and the Van Gogh Museum, Amsterdam offers a rich tapestry of culture, history, and nightlife. Keukenhof Gardens, known as the Garden of Europe, Keukenhof is a breathtaking showcase of tulips and other spring flowers. Open from March to May, the park features millions of blooms arranged in stunning displays across 32 hectares of landscaped gardens. Transcends. Step back in time at this picturesque village near Amsterdam, where you can admire well-preserved historic windmills, wooden houses, and artisan workshops. It's a perfect place to experience traditional Dutch culture and craftsmanship. The Hague, as the seat of the Dutch government and the International Court of Justice, The Hague exudes elegance and sophistication. Highlights include the iconic Binnenhof Inner Court, the Mauritshuis Museum with its collection of Dutch Golden Age masterpieces, and the expansive beaches of Scheveningen. Rotterdam, known for its bold architecture and dynamic cultural scene, Rotterdam is a city of innovation and creativity. Don't miss the striking cube houses, the iconic Erasmus Bridge, and the innovative Markthal Food Market.